Welcome to United by Trucks. Today, well, we've got a pretty cool episode, we'll call it. It's actually sort of some bonus footage, but I realized today was the year mark from the time that we helped Alex Walker pull out his 67 GMC Barn Find. If you're over on Instagram or over on Facebook, you've seen where I met up with Alex yesterday and actually filmed a little bit of the truck after he's done a lot of work to it. Let me just move over here. Got a little bit of footage of the truck since he's put his little spin on it, and man, it turned out really, really cool. But for those who maybe haven't seen the episode or don't know what we're talking about, I want to drop in a little bit of sort of refresher footage from the Barn Find rescue, and then I'm going to show you the footage from Alex's house that kind of gives you a little bit more of an update on what the truck looks like now. So we're talking about the 67 GMC Barn Find that we helped Alex Walker from Walker Performance Tuning rescue out in East Georgia, and its name's Francis, and it's an awesome truck. So enjoy this refresher footage and then watch through to the end and you'll see the update.
We're here to dig out a 67 GMC that's been in this barn for 20 years.
And I think October 1967 from Farmer Auto Sales in Elberton, Georgia, over about where the Farm Bureau building's at now. And he kept it all the years. He died in 87. And then Mama drove it till she died in 94, and I drove it a few years. And that's it. It was rebuilt by John Rice Garage at about $125,000, and it's got like what 141 on it now. So the
141,000 miles.
Yeah. So and that's original miles, everything.
How long has it been sitting here?
18, 19 years or something.
So since about 2000.
Yeah, because my wife got cancer then, and I lost all interest in
Understood.
doing anything. I was going to restore it, but then it's never been had a major wreck. It had a fender bender, but
sure,
a front bumper bender. But Daddy liked to partake of some spirits every once in a while.
Don't we all? Has it ever been repainted?
I think so.
Okay.
I don't know. I think he had it done. He fixed something other than had it done when I was in the service overseas.
What year do you think that would have been?
In the 70s.
Wow.
It would have been in the 70s.
Wow.
Yeah, when I came back, I lived in Atlanta till the late 70s before I moved back here.
Well, that might as well be original paint then.
Yeah, it's the original color.
Yeah, right, the 503
Yeah.
light green. Yeah.
Yeah, because he was too cheap and too tight to change colors on one. Because that would have cost more.
That's right. That's right.
And everything plain Jane, 6-cylinder straight shift.
Yeah, the one thing I noticed about it that I was talking to Alex about, it has no fender emblems, which you could get on a GMC N67.
But they cost extra money.
They cost extra money, right?
Yeah.
So this one does not have fender emblems. It has the unique grill, 67 only grill, where the GMC is actually in the grill and not lettered on the hood. I mean, there's a lot of really cool things about this truck.
Yeah,
and I'm just glad to see that you put it in a barn to get it out of the weather,
Oh yeah, I've kept it out of the weather.
Well, I think we're gonna discuss how to get this thing out of here, and then we're gonna get out of your hair as quickly as possible. All right, guys, so I was out picking up a truck in Lula, Georgia. We'll tell you more about it later. But I stumbled upon this coming down the road, and I bet y'all know what this is. But Francis is looking right. This is the 67 GMC Barn Find of Alex Walker's that we helped him dig out. Man, he's got this thing looking good. And he's standing over here in gym shorts. He don't want me to show. I'm just kidding.
Sunday attire.
Sunday attire, that's right. I got gym shorts on too. Man, this thing looks good.
Appreciate it.
You happy with it?
Very happy.
I would be too.
Every day this week hadn't let me down.
Have you really? That's awesome.
Keep it on the road.
You got the keys on you by chance?
I do.
Will you mind firing it up?
Not at all.
So you're still running original drivetrain in this truck, right?
250 inline six, 3-speed on the column, but everything besides the drivetrain's brand new.
Man. Some white walls and hubcaps. There we go. Man, I love it, Alex.
These
A little cold natured.
little cold nature.
That's all right. Listen to that thing purring though. Yeah. So you've been driving it every day.
Every day.
Man, brought this baby back to life. This sucker didn't look anything like this when we drug it out of that place, did it?
No, it was nasty.
Man, it looks great.
I appreciate it.
It looks really nice. Man, I love that patina on the door panel right there.
Yeah. That's here to stay.
Yeah. Well, you've killed it, Alex.
I appreciate
This
it.
thing looks awesome. Hard to beat a 67. Hey, thanks for letting me stop by, man.
And thank you.
I appreciate it, buddy. Cue the music.